German. I will put the translation up. Right, back again in the same spot, Elizabeth Street in Lee. Out today with Neil. Neil's here now, he's getting a bit better, not as poorly. Welsh Dragon Magnets are here. The little girl from last week's here as well. Yeah, I said that. And Dave and Karen are here as well, but they are right. Let's see if I can. Right, there's a couple of people. There's like a runner, an old lady walking down, and right past them you can see things moving in the distance, can't you? It's Dave and Karen. For some reason they're all the way up there. But yeah, let's get fishing. My first chuck, a big greasy bar thing. Oh, second chuck. Yeah, actually mine was second chuck. What was it in the first one? Got nothing. A little thing there. And then this is what Neil's got on his second chuck. Look at that. I'll wait to open the video.
Swim to the magnet.
Look at that. I haven't took my gloves off, I don't know. Oh! Are they the ones that make the Swiss Army knives? Victorinox, whatever, Daniel. Can you read, Dan? I don't know. My mum did teach me. Yeah, Victorinox. Victorinox. Whatever that says, yeah. It's the Swiss Army makers, isn't it? Or some knife maker.
This is a knife maker, but I don't know about Swiss. No,
I don't know, I've seen. Oh, I've got like a little army knife. Well,
very
or a pen knife. Got a pen knife with that name on. I'm sure I have. I still know. Look at that. Oh, it's got a ring in it.
Hey, I like my rusty rings.
That's a grid cover. Oh, a cog. That's a big cog.
Off a cam. Or something. Motorcycle cam.
Yeah. See, little treats in it. Yeah. You can see things from a funny angle because you're lopsided. Look at that. Silver end on that. And then the blade thing there. That is what Neil's just got out with a bike frame, part of a bike frame. A little knife. Bloody hell. Got the knife, so you can see a little silver bit there. Yeah. Clean it off a little bit later for you. It looks like it's got like a little belt, like hook thing, or you know, a little hook thing there or something. A little circle you can hang it off. You know what I mean? There you go. I'll dry a little bit.
Good morning! How's it going?
Going marvellous! Up the wire!
Hey! Paul Houlihan fans, I don't know why.
Yeah, he's brilliant.
Wasn't it marvellous?
Who's that netball team shirt you're wearing?
Netball, that's proper that. We'll see you at Wembley, won't we? Won't we, Paul? We'll see him at Wembley.
Yeah.
Yeah? When we bring that Challenge Cup home, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If we can go Wembley.
See you later, Paul.
If we can go Wembley.
See you later. Come on then.
Right, I've had 2 cash boxes. Look at that. And poles. Couple of bike pedals. Scaff clamps. Padlock with like the lock thing still on it, if you know what I mean. There is Neil's chainsaw. Oh my god, words are leaving my brain. Titan chainsaw. Look at that. It's a carded one, but look at that. And he's had a cash box. Can be a little sword. I've had 2 anyway, so I've beaten him.
Cash box dumping ground.
Yeah. Might be a cash drawer, that possibly. Some more poles, loads of scaff lamps, an Eddie Store-bought shirt. Bits of metal, another cash box. Crystal, I think her name is, little girl. Got loads of knife parts out. A pen knife. I got a bike frame. All using my magnet. Got a spade. It's all little girl stuff. Okay. I'll be happy with all that. Money, money, money. Neil stuff. Cash box. I think, yeah, I do record that, don't I? Bike bell. Bikes and bike parts. That didn't work much. There we go. Time for something to eat. Been magnet fishing. Look a mess. Keep getting splashed by my rope. There we go. Have another little break. Skillet. Pan. Monkey wrench that he's had. There you go. Swing arms off bikes. Exhaust. Poles. I've got a scaff clamp caught on a magnet at the minute, so I'm going to break. Another cash box. Spade. Another one. A cast iron stuff there. Trunking, scaff bars. This place is loaded, it's not stopped giving. Madness. Swap hands. There you go, 5th cash box. Some other stuff. And look at that. What a nice little find. It's got the whatever that is called on it. Look at that, nice little horseshoe. Have it. I'm happy with that now. I don't mind getting scrap and cash boxes out and nails, chainsaws and knives and stuff. It's cool, but a nice little something a little bit different does me every day, every time, you know what I mean. Every time I come out, something a little bit different. Okay, that. Leave it on my cash box when Neil sees it. Oh my god! I'm gonna clean that for you. Likes cleaning stuff. I think he's got an obsession with making stuff clean. There we go. Neil's just had this out because we moved up a little bit near the bridge where we were the other week, 2 weeks ago. I'll show you in a minute. There you go, look at that knife there, kitchen knife. German. I will put the translation up. Yeah, I've got a picture at the end, but I'll do that. There you go. Put translation up now.
How are you ever going to get another phone like that?
There we go. Okay. Yeah, Neil's here. There's that guy from Anglesey that keeps following us about. Dave. That's me, I'm giving up. Tidying up now, my stuff, moving my scrap to the van. Everyone else is still fishing down there. See them? And then Dave and Karen are still down there. There we go. Yeah, but I'm moving on my stuff now. I've got a couple of piles. Yeah, I've had enough today to satisfy me. So yeah, check out my other channel. Yeah, trailer should be out now for the new trailer should be out for it. Cheers for watching. Smell you later.